SEIFSA says the key factor in reviving the local manufacturing sector is ensuring that local companies can compete against their global counterparts. It says currently imports have flooded the local markets and have reduced local manufacturing capacity. SEIFSA says local manufacturing exports account for an estimated 35% of production. Imports, on the other hand, have captured about 45% of the local market.
We must ask ourselves why it is that it is possible for something to be manufactured thousands of kilometers away and to arrive in South Africa and be cheaper than something that is produced here. So it means, therefore, that we've got to look at our input costs. Are we benchmarked appropriately in terms of the various costs?
Aggression on the part of labor has also been singled out as a worrying factor that makes investors jittery. Labor analysts say the current system of engagement between labor and business needs to be adapted to deal with the changing nature of problems facing both parties.
It can't just be business as usual, wages and conditions of employment. There's social issues coming onto the table that will need to be addressed. The question that the parties will face is what are the most appropriate forums through which these new issues can be addressed?
Others, however, say the system of collective wage bargaining is not entirely to blame for the tension between labor and business.
The problem with the bargaining system is not that it's a bad bargaining system, it's that it has to take the strain for an economy in which we still have too much poverty, too much inequality and too much conflict. And the bargaining system is the victim of that. What we have to do is change the pattern of our economy. And the only way we can do that is by some tough talking between the major economic actors.
SEIFSA is preparing to convene a 2-day annual industry indaba early next year to confront challenges facing the sector. Liuta Mutlugelwa, SABC News, Boksburg.